Hey everyone. So you started job hunting. You're very keen to work on one particular company, a well-known tech company in your area, and you learned everything about the company and you applied for the job and your interview was completed, and after a few days you get a mail from the recruiter saying that, hey, you're selected for the job. How would you accept the job offer? Coming up next. Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel, YouKnowIt'sMikhil. So guys, this is in continuation with the business email writing series which started in the last few days. So in the part 3 of business email writing series, we're gonna see how to accept a job offer. That means how to write an email to accept a job offer. So let's say you have just been offered a new role and you have decided to accept the offer. How should you formally accept the position? So guys, it's always good to remember that it's a good idea to accept a job offer by replying back to the recruiter and sending him a token of acceptance. It also, more than showing gratitude, it also demonstrates your professionalism and your enthusiasm towards the company and towards joining them. And moreover, you will have a record of reference with all the compensation details, vacation time, or any sort of benefits which the company provides to you. So let's see, without any further ado, how do we actually write an email to accept a job offer. So guys, here is my email ID for you guys, which is YouKnowIt'sMikhil. Okay, so I have drafted a mail for your demonstration purpose, and this is in regards to the acceptance of the offer letter for a software engineer. So let's say, like in the last video, I've applied for the role of a Java certified specialist or a software engineer in a company ABC, and this time let's say I got the opportunity to work with the company and I want to show my acceptance to the company. So how would I draft an email to Mr. Sam? Okay, so here is the subject line. Let's say Sam has sent me an email the other day saying me that keeping the subject as acceptance of offer letter for software engineer, and he was asking me, hey Mikhil, can you please accept the offer or send me your confirmation on the same and all the policies whatsoever we have discussed, something like that. And on top of that I'm replying, so hence I would get this RE. Okay, so let's see what would my email be like. Okay, so I'm writing, hi Mr. Sam, I'm delighted to accept this job offer you recently made to me. Thank you for offering me the position with ABC. So the position name you can mention, wherein you can write, in this case, thank you for offering me the position of software engineer with ABC. You can of course make some gaps over here. Okay, I'm pleased to accept this offer and look forward to join your company on so and so date. So this is something which is very important. So you would like to reconfirm your date of joining in that company, and you would mention that here. And then you're saying them that I consider it a privilege to join such a dynamic team of professionals. So it's not that we are buttering them or anything of that sort, but it's just that I'm expressing my acceptance, and I'm also looking forward to join such a brilliant organization. Okay, and then I would generously say them that I would say show my gratitude to them, saying that thank you again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I am eager to join your team and make a positive contribution to the company. If there is any further information or page work or paperwork you would like me to do or you need me to complete, please let me know and I will arrange it as soon as possible. So this mail is really crisp and yet polite and up to the mark, you know. So, and then I would definitely mention my signature, so which I always say, to have a professional signature in your settings ready always. So this is a pretty straightforward email and no hanky panky here, and it is crisp, it is strong, and it is giving away the information whatever is actually required to be sent. And I think that is all here with respect to this part. Okay, so guys, let's say there's another bad case, you know, God forbid, if you have applied to the company, as in by writing the email what we have written in the last video, and by the way, the link is in the description, and you unfortunately don't hear anything from the recruiter. What would you do? You would you would obviously want to send them a follow-up email, right? So that is what is gonna come over in the next video. So stay tuned, guys, and keep watching this series. This is really going to be very helpful, I'm sure, to you guys. And don't forget to, I know, and you know, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned with respect to this series. There are a lot more videos coming up next, so don't go anywhere. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your patience. This was a short video, and be kind and helpful.